To begin, open Settings on your handset. Swipe up to go down. And find Advanced Features. Tap on it. Here you will find the option, One-Handed Mode. Tap on it. Now simply tap the slider to enable this feature. After that, choose if you want to activate one-handed mode by using the gesture or button. Now use the method that you choose, and make your screen small. Double tap on the home button, and the screen is reduced to small size. Now you can use the smaller screen in the same way you would usually. You can use one-handed mode in any of your hand. If you tap the arrow icon, it will switch sides of your minimize window. To exit from one-handed mode, simply tap on the empty space outside the window, or you can use the selected method. And you have been exit from the one-handed mode. So in this way, you can use one-handed mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.